Okay, let's move right along. Our next environment is the forest. A couple of the characteristics that we are going to need to know to create our picture. The temperature averages around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. That means sometimes it's warmer, sometimes it's colder, depending on the time of year and the time of day. But an average temperature is around 50 degrees. Water in a forest generally comes from melted snow and is very present. If you're in a forest, you can find water anywhere. It's in the soil, it's in the plants, it's in rivers, streams, little lakes. You can find water easily in a forest. Soil. The soil in a forest is very easy to grow things in. There's a lot of water and a lot of nutrients. So things grow in a soil from the forest very easily. Typical weather patterns, you will generally see all 4 seasons. So that means in the summertime, it's sunny and warm. In the wintertime, snowy and probably pretty chilly. Fall, the leaves will change. Spring, things will come to life. You'll see all 4 seasons. I'm sure you have a couple of common organisms in mind, and that's great. I have a few listed here. Small mammals, squirrels, chipmunks, skunks, raccoons, things like that. Large mammals, deer, moose, coyotes, things along those lines. Trees, grasses, etc. You name it, if it's like something you're picturing, it's in a forest. Okay, so now I'm going to choose a different little shape in my E, and I'm going to draw a picture of a forest. I want you to do the same thing. Okay, here's my picture to remind me of forest. I've got some nutrient-rich soil. I've got some grass. This would probably be like springtime. I've got my tree with some budding leaves, a couple different trees, some trees in the background. I've got some eagles, but I'm not Miss Kelsey, so those are my eagles. And the sun is shining. So this is my forest. Okay, yours does not have to look anything like mine. It can if you want it to. It's whatever helps you remember forest.